Thank you. So, welcome back. Hope you had a good break. And now, as promised, there is the IEA workshop, and we'll have Anca from DTU that will explain a little bit more.
Welcome to this workshop. The workshop is organized by the DTU wing, Nordic Folkecenter, and Aalborg University. And I'm Anca Hansen. I am associate professor at the DTU wing. And it's my pleasure today to initiate and start this workshop on social acceptance. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Great. Yes. Before we start, just want to highlight that this workshop, which is held to support the International IEA Task 41, it's the first one out of a series of 3 annual Danish workshops in the over next 3 years. As part of a new funded project, the AUDP Danish project, IEA Task 41. No, again, it doesn't work. Okay, it is. So only few words about this new AUDP. Maybe it's better like this. I don't know.
That's a second because they cannot see it.
Oh, they cannot see it. Yes. Yeah. So few words about this new funded project which funds this workshop as well. It's a 3-year project, started in January 2024, and we finish at the beginning of 26. And yeah, you find the website here. It should be blue. I don't know why, but it's a satellite of the main IEA Task 41 homepage. And the focus is, yeah, you are all here on distributed wind, which covers wind turbines deployed in a distribution application, connected at distribution voltage and located behind or in front of the meter or in an off-grid application. And the main overall objectives of this Danish project is, of course, to support the IEA TPC Task 41, leveraging Danish expertise and interest, and also to identify and explore the Danish, the studies, in particular Danish interest for distributed wind, and consolidate Danish expertise and experience, and to support and strengthen the Danish stakeholders. And the structure, the Danish project is following tightly the structure of the international IEA Task 41. We have the same work packages as you can see here, and one on turbulence sighting and standards, one on open source data, grid and system integration, and social acceptance. And today it's first in the series of 3, as I said, workshops. Today on social acceptance, and next year we'll have on turbulence sighting and standards. And yes, why are we here? Which are the goals for this workshop today? It's first to identify the needs, challenges, and potential solutions. Try to discuss and understand how the research community can support the Danish stakeholders in respect to the distributed wind. discuss, generate and explore ideas, promote research on society and distributed technology. And during the workshop, you will have plenty of space to share experience on needs and challenges. So, okay, it looks different than I checked. Yes, so we have two parts. The beginning, yeah, yes,
as good as we can.
It's fine. So in the first part of the workshop, we will have 5 presentations, both from academia and stakeholders, where we will discuss, you will see the perspectives, both from the academia and the industry, on which are the challenges, concerns, and yeah, in respect with the distributed wind. Please be aware at both the presentations and what is coming after, it will be recorded, but the focus is research, so it will not be published, it will come not in publication. After a break, so we have these 5 presentations. Each presentation will be about 20 minutes, including questions. After the break, we will have 3 parallel sessions, breakouts, where we'll discuss challenges, concerns, and potential solutions for 3 different subjects: community, social, political, and market. And each session will have its own moderator, and we'll gather the main inputs during the sessions, and we'll present shortly at the end in the plenum. So it will be a wrap-up in plenum, and then you will be introduced to a survey that the EU is running. I know that my colleague David has prepared a set of questions, both online, and I suppose that is also, there are some prints out right here as well. Yeah. And at the end, we'll come with some final remarks. So these are, it's just, you will see this one later on again, breakout sessions, one on community acceptance, one on social political acceptance, and one on market acceptance. So I hope that you will enjoy the workshop and get out the best out of the discussions we will have today.